Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can limit screen time using YouTube Kids settings. So if you guys worry about your kids screen time, through this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step guide on how you can set screen time limits in YouTube Kids to ensure your child has a balanced and healthy viewing experience. So first, what you need to do is of course open the YouTube Kids application, and then you can access the YouTube Kids settings by clicking on this gear icon on the screen. Okay, so this is a parents only setting, so you need to solve this simple math problem first. Tap on submit, and now under the settings you can just scroll down until you find the set timer option. So just tap on that and you can just set the time limit. For example, I'm going to go with 40 minutes, so when the time is up the app will lock itself, so your kids will not cannot watch the video again. So you can just tap on start timer, and as you guys can see at the top there will be this like countdown on the timer. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video if it helps you to manage screen time, and subscribe. Also click on it. Thanks for more family friendly tech tips. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. But if you still have questions or need help, you can drop a comment below. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye.